Hey there, fellow adventurers! Are you tired of bland meals and burnt marshmallows when you're out camping? Well, today I'm going to show you how the right camping cookware set can take your outdoor cooking from drab to fab. Imagine waking up to the smell of freshly brewed coffee or whipping up a gourmet meal under the stars with your friends. Sounds amazing, right? But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best camping cookware? That's where I come in. I've spent hours researching, testing, and comparing the top camping cookware sets, so you don't have to worry about what to bring on your next trip. In my comprehensive guide, you'll learn everything you need to know, from understanding the difference between lightweight and all-in-one kits, to the pros and cons of materials like aluminum and stainless steel. Plus, I'll cover essential features you should look for to make your cooking experience hassle-free. The right cookware set isn't just about cooking, it's about enhancing your entire camping experience. Imagine enjoying a perfectly cooked meal with your loved ones, creating memories that last a lifetime. So, are you ready to upgrade your camping gear? Don't miss out on my full guide to the best camping cookware sets of 2024. Click the link below to read the complete review and make your next outdoor adventure truly unforgettable. Join the adventure and transform your cooking game. Head over to letflee.com to get started. You won't want to miss what I have in store for you. Thanks for watching and happy camping. See you in the great outdoors.